Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your elbow makes a cracking sound, it is usually due to gas bubbles bursting in the joint fluid, tendons moving over the bone, or minor joint misalignments. This is often harmless. However, if you experience pain, swelling, or frequent cracking, it's best to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any serious conditions like arthritis or bursitis.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.